crispy, moist, and crackling goodness. Yes guys, it's Lechon Kawali. Is one of the dishes that we Filipinos notoriously love. We love to serve it as an appetizer or pulutan with our ice cold beer, of course, and as ulam or an entree with our loads of unlimited rice. Just thinking about the process of making it, of that splattering oil and your fear of frying, you get discouraged. I get you. Let's tackle all your Lechon Kawali issues and sling them one by one as I present to you my 3-ingredient and 3-step Lechon Kawali. Before we get down to today's business, I'd like to make my usual shout out, as I love to make shout outs to my beautiful lovelies here in this community. Chi Alvarado from my hometown of Tagigaraw, Armand Adahar from San Diego, California, and Kabulisan from San Francisco. Thank you so much guys. Now if you're interested in being featured, all you have to do is comment down below or in my Instagram, Facebook page. Also push that subscription button below and the notification bell beside it. My friends from Google say that 90% of my viewers are not subscribed. I would like to invite you to support my channel. So thank you, and now let's get back to cooking. So I said 3 ingredients, right? So we have the pork belly, sinigang mix, and of course the patis. So the first step is to tenderize our pork. I'm using Instapot here to tenderize my pork. So all you need to do is pour about 5 cups of water. And then this is a whole packet of the sinigang mix. Some people have problems using packets like that, but I don't have any qualms. I use sinigang mix to season my pork while I tenderize them. For convenience, no chopping of onions, no chopping of garlic, no nothing. Just the sinigang mix. How amazing is that, right? Just like that, you have to follow the instructions of this gadget here. Wet the rim, close it and seal it. And if I could find out how to close this, there you go, got it. Because my husband is not here, he gave me this gadget. Malou and gadgets in the kitchen don't go well together. So he's not here, I have to do it. I'm a big girl, so let's do it. Pressure cook at 25 minutes. Hold on, let's cancel it. Pressure cook, I want to put it for 20 minutes. And that, press. And we shall wait until it says on. There! All we need to do is just wait. So it's time for us to grab our happy hour drink. Cheers! And so, what's good about Instant Pot is that I could already reduce it. So now that it has been tenderized, all we need to do is put it in a rack to let it cool down. What we are looking for is that the skin gets dry, and the best way to do it is to air dry it, and so that's important. While waiting for our pork belly to air dry, I'd like to make some ensalada or salad, cucumber salad to go with it. I'm gonna dice up some cucumber. I want to put some tomato, no matter how you call it, it's good. I wanna put some green onions too. Now for the dressing, this homemade spicy vinegar. You could use whatever vinegar you have. Bagoong or shrimp paste. Spicy and funky. And we chill this, and that be our side. So the next step is for us to air fry. All we need to do is brush some patis. So it says add the food. So it's set at 20 minutes. So midway into air frying it, I would like to check. And let's see if it's crackling. Not yet. So back to the air fryer they go. Okay, so it's been 20 minutes and this is how your pork belly looks like. And as soon as it cools down, it's gonna harden a bit, and then we'll do the last step. To prep up for a last step, third and finale, is to put our Lechon Kawali in a perforated pan. Make sure there's a catching bin at the bottom. A cup of oil at 375 degrees. Our oil is hot. Pork belly has been resting for another 20 to 30 minutes. And so the last step is for us to scald it with hot oil. And this process will make a difference in your lechon kawali. See what it does? It's bursting the skin and makes it a little more crispier. And make sure that the oil has some place to drip. A deep pan would be good. There you have it. Let's do the knock-knock test and the scratch test. And there you go. It passes the grade. And then we let it cool down a bit and we're ready to chop it. See? Ooh. Crispy-licious. Good like that. There you go. And my favorite part is to assemble it. Lechon kawali, of course with the ensalada, lechon sauce, ketchup, and the sausawan suka. And of course, loads of rice to go with it. Dad, kinda! First, I want the lechon sauce. So good. About banana ketchup.
How did you make it so crispy?
It's the process. Tenderize it, air fry it, then scald it with hot water so it blisters the skin. I also love the tanginess that the sinigang mix adds. You know, remember when you put the patis there? It's not even salty at all, right, Dad?
Mm-hmm.
How do you like it?
Restaurant quality. Very good.
There you have it, guys. We're done for this segment and I hope you had fun. When you have that intense craving for lechon kawali, always remember that it's just 3 steps and 3 ingredients away. So, hanggang sa muli, this is Malou saying, that's sarap!